Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on the DoorDash app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your email on the DoorDash app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to DoorDash. Then click on your profile on the upper right hand corner. Afterwards, click on Settings on the top hand side. Then click on Manage Account underneath Account Settings. Then you can see here where it says Email. This is where you could actually go ahead and change your email. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your email on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.